Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. Today we are going to talk about the volley, the beginner volley, how they can improve. Okay, so first I want to explain about that in the volley first we have to hold the continental grip, which one I already explained in the my earlier video in the grip, that 1 and then 2 is the continental grip. Okay, so that one I'm going to do it. Can you come here? So we are having the two students here, Anushka and Isika. Okay, so can you hold the grip now for volley? Can you show me the grip? Okay, that's good. So they are a little bit, they know that. Okay, so this grip is okay. So now can you go that side? So now I want to see the two volley, the 4 and first. 1, okay, 2, okay, back, 1, okay, 2, good one, next, 1, okay, 2, okay, one more, 1, okay, 2, good, ready, 1, 2, 1, 2, back end, 1, 2, ready, 1, 2, okay, come. So they are doing the good volley. Okay, so in the back hand they are trying to do like this, because the back hand grip. Can you hold me? Can you hold the grip? So this is the ready position. Ready position now. When ball is coming, you have to turn. How to turn? Can you do now turn? No, in the forehand first. Ready? 1. Okay, up, and then the wrist will be a little more flexible. Okay, and then 2. Come here. So it is open here. So this is the parallel. Okay, this is a little bit open. Okay, this is a little bit. The racket head is going to be little bit. Hold it 1 and 2. So don't do like this. Okay, it will be open here. Okay, open and then go. And the same thing in the back end. Turn. This is a unit turn. Okay, hold it here. Don't hold here. Okay, hold it here. Don't take your. Okay, this one and then 2. So in the backhand volley, because their hands are very not that strong, so they are sometimes struggling. Okay, so for that, can you come this side? Because sometimes they are going to stay open. So I want them to go sideways and do the volley. So this is the important thing. So first I want to stay there. One more line. One line. Can you still little more back? More back. Do 1 volley, 2 volley, 3 volley, and side back. Okay? Ready? 1, sideways, 2, okay, 3, nice, okay, 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, nice, 1, okay, 2, okay, no follow through, just cut, okay, 1, again it's going down, 2, good, 3, ready, 2 more, 1, 2, 3, sideways, 1, 2, 3, okay, you understand? Just do the ball fast. The same thing, okay, volley sideways, okay, 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, so now you can see you are going like this and doing here, both hands. When you back, you try to keep your hand here, okay? Keep your hand here, okay? And then when you are going forward, you have to leave. 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, okay. Can you come here close? Don't hold the racket here, okay? Try to hold the neck, so it's more easy to control your racket, okay? Can you do again? Okay, 1, 2, okay, 3, okay, next, 1, one, up, two, easy na? Ab acha ho raha hai? Okay, it's better now, it's easy to control. Okay, like it. So hold the ball there, one, okay, two, okay, three, okay, next, one more, one, good, two, okay, again you are holding down, hold more up, okay, so that one you have to be ready, okay. So that one is very important because you have to keep them sideways and doing like this so they can do. So that is the making the habit. So like this we have to do more volley drill like this, then they will improve, okay. Can I stay in center? So next time when you are going, little more back. When you are going, you ready, okay? 1, 2, and then ready. Again, 1, 2. So can you do with the split step? Ready? And back side, Anushka, can you do the shadow, okay? 1, 4 balls, okay? 2, okay? 3, good. 4, nice, next. Ready? Split, shadow, 1, down the line. 2, down the line. 3, again going cross. I want to control your racket head, okay? A little more straight. Ready? 1, okay? 2, nice. Come. Split step. Wide. Little more wider. Ready? 1, 2, good. 3, okay. 4, okay. Now ready? Stay there. Do shadow now. Ready? Go fast. Ready? 1 and back. Split step. 2. Again back. Split step. 3. Can you do now? 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Split step is not there. Okay? I'm just going here and then here. I want more nicely. 1, split step, 1, turning, and 2. Okay, keep. Just little bit. Come on, do now again. 5, 1, 2, okay, 3, okay, 4, 5. Again, split step, first jump, 5, 6, okay. Ready? You understand? 4 balls. 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, okay, 4, next. Ready? 1, 2, okay, 3, good. Come back, 4. Okay, so now understand? Can you pick up the ball faster? So now I want, can you come this side? So now I'm going for the next progression. So every step, this is not important that they are doing, how they are doing or not. My job to teach them each and every step so they can realize that if that type of ball will come, so they have to use that, okay? So now I want to add more ball. So they are going to hit the approach shot and then they come to the net and doing this, okay? So can you back here? You stay here. Stand here. So next is shadow swing, okay, with me. You are coming here, approach, and coming split step. Come on, and then doing forehand volley and backhand volley, okay? Ready, go back. So we need to do the shadow to realize that thing. Then we are using the ball. Ready, go. Come, approach. Back again. Ready? More nicely. Hit the ball. Approach shot. Come close. Come close and split. 1, 2. One more round. You understand? Now we are going to do the same thing. Make one line in the center and then hit the approach shot and come to the net, okay? approach, okay, and split, forehand volley, and this backhand volley. Good one. Ready? One, split, good. This, nice one. Go back. One, you are too early. You stay back, okay? Stay back. Stay more back near the baseline, and then come. One, okay, and split. Two, this, three. Next, coming back. One, split step. This one again balance. Okay, nice. This one, okay, two, good, three, nice. Come on. One, okay, two, okay, three, okay, not bad. Good catch. Come on, ready? One, nice, and then okay, and this. So now we understand. So this one, but you are not going good. First, watching the ball, going, set up, and then hit the ball, okay? So try to use more legs, okay? More steps. So it's not like this, coming and going and hitting the ball, okay? This is not. So you are ready, ball is coming, go close, set up, and then hit, and then back, and then you have to do this. Can you do one more round? Okay? With the small steps, adjusting step, little more back. Okay, now. Good one, and split step, and this one, yeah, nice. Ready? Adjusting step, set up, okay, and split. Where is the split? This, okay, next. This one, okay, this, good, this, nice. Last one, adjusting step, okay, up, good catch, this, nice, okay. You understand? So that one is the very important. So this is the one small, okay. So that one when you practice, you try to do that. Come closer. Okay. So always try to do the more split, more adjusting step. Come close to here, and when you are coming, you try to be more not like this, okay. You have to be in the toe, okay. Ready position, forward movement, and then pull. Okay. You understand? So this is the small one. You try to do more. After that, I am going to do next video. Okay. So for the more smash and the net practice. Okay. So this is the small video. So for the beginner, how we can improve the approach shot and volley for that. And I hope I told them to do the more adjusting step for the approach shot, and then taking a nice split step, and then going for the volley. And they are doing also to holding the racket here to the back. So left non-dominant hand should be here. So it's easy to control the racket. Okay, you understand where to hold? Here, okay. Don't hold here. So it is difficult. Okay, you hold here, and then grip is here, and then easy to turn. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, so that is the one small video for the beginner about the net play, means the approach and volley. So this step by step we can do, and I think what I told them, they are going to practice 1 week, 2 week more, and then after that I will show you that how they are improving for that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel, and thank you. Bye bye.